Are you tired of getting your resumes rejected or finding the jobs tailored to your skills? Then we have an amazing AI workflow called AI Job Search, which has just released, which can find you every kind of job, code a perfect customized document for that job, and can also apply for that job automatically for you. Today, using this tool, I'm going to be building my own Claude local job assistant, which will run entirely local on my own machine, completely free of cost, and can scrap jobs for my skills and prepare me an application template by itself. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local and free AI tools and build practical AI projects that can run completely on consumer hardwares. So first, let's cover the basics of this tool, and then I'll move on to build the project. This open source project is basically a complete job application software powered by AI, which is built completely on Claude Code CLI, so it can run straight from your command line interface on your own local system. Instead of manually doing everything, it lets Claude evaluate all the job postings. You just need to give your CV or your details. It will read all the job requirements and build customized cover letters and also prepare you for the interviews. And the best part is that this framework doesn't care where you live or what language do you speak. The core workflow of this project works universally. The whole process starts with a simple setup command where the AI will know about you, your profile, and prepare the files for your background and experience. After that, with a simple scrap command, it actually goes out to the internet, search all the job portals, and find the roles that actually match your skills. And once it finds a job, it will act like a recruiter and actually evaluate how fit you are for that role. It even has a smart checking system, which is this reviewer agent, where one AI will write the actual application and the second reviewer AI will critique it to fix any mistakes that is made by the first AI. For running this tool as a prerequisite, you need the Claude Code CLI. For me, I'm going to be using the Ollama Launch Claude Code, which lets me run the Claude Code completely free on my own machine using local Ollama models like Q1 3.5, GLM, or Kimi. Then you need Python as your coding environment, and by default it uses the Danish Jobs Research Tools. For that, you need to install the Bun library. And then to generate the highly professional documents, you need a standard document compiler like DTEC installed in your system. First step is to just fork and clone this repository, which will install all the required files, skills, and tools into your system. So we just need to clone this repository, which is AI Job Search, and change the working directory as this project folder. Now you just need to install the specific job related skills using the simple change directory and install commands. Then we can simply launch our Claude CLI and just run a simple setup command to begin our profile creation. The first option it has is that it can read the entire documents folder. If you already have some existing CVs, LinkedIn exports, diploma PDFs, reference letters, or some past applications. But if you don't have these documents ready, the AI will literally chat with you and walk you through an interview to extract all your skills naturally. Then when you are ready to search for the jobs, you just need to run this scrap command, and the tool will automatically search the multiple job portals for positions that are matching with your profile. And it doesn't just give you a random list. It will sort all the jobs basis how much they are fitting in your profile. And once you see all the job posts, you just need to pick a match and run the apply command on it directly. For example, you can just send this apply command and apply your URL here. And if your URL is blocked by the job portal, you can directly paste the entire job description into this apply command, and the tool will work the same way whatsoever. There is also a really cool feature which is expand, which can scan your GitHub repos or your portfolio websites and discover all the technical skills that you forgot to mention. It can even look up your past college courses by the syllabi site to see exactly what you learned and add it to your profile. And if you are missing out on some job posting, this upskill command will analyze all the gaps between your skills in the profile and the job posting that you are tracking. It will then give you a complete study map of all the skill gaps and tell you exactly what you need to learn and how long it will take to learn that skill. The application process with this apply command is really smart with this tool because it actually uses two different AI agents working together. Unlike other tools, it actually generates a PDF and visually check if there are some inconsistencies in that generated PDF or not. Then it will keep adjusting and reiterating until the code fits the CV in exactly 2 pages without any awkward blank spaces. And you don't even have to worry about lying anymore because the system strictly takes your real data and never fabricates any skill or experience on its own. So now I'm going to be building my own project using this tool. For my coding environment, I'm going to be using Google Antigravity. If you don't have it installed, just go to antigravity.google/download and download the installer according to your platform. Then I'm going to be using Ollama for running the Claude CLI. So just go to ollama.com/download and download the installer according to your platform. Now to run the Claude Code using Ollama, you just need to pass on some simple commands in the Antigravity terminal. First, we need to install the Claude Code CLI. So you just need to copy this command. I'll be putting this readme file in the GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can directly open it and copy those commands and paste it in your terminal. So I'll copy this, go to the terminal and paste it here. Next, we need to set the Claude path in our environment variable. So again, copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Here, you just need to modify this your username with your PC's username. For example, for me, it would be Prayas Jain. So I just need to modify this and run the same command in my system. Next, as we don't want to use the Anthropic API keys, we need to pass on all the AI requests to the local Ollama URL. So with these 3 simple queries, you will set all the URL, authentication token, and the API keys to the Ollama software models. So just copy these and again paste it in the terminal. Now the Claude Code CLI is set up. We now need to set up the Ollama local model. For this project, I'm going to be using the Granite-4.1 3B model, which is recently released by IBM, which is really good at instruction following and really fast at giving the responses as well. So I'm going to copy this query and paste it in the terminal to download and install this model in my system. Now to get even faster responses, I'm going to be making a system instruction where I'm going to ask it that you are a direct and concise synthesis agent. Do not use the think tags, do not output internal monologue, and do not go straight to the output. So by disabling the thinking tags, you shorten the thinking process of that model. So you get faster responses, but you can disable it if you want more accurate response, but it will take more time. So for this quick demo, I'm going to be using this kind of system prompt. Then I'm also going to disable the thinking tags in these parameters and also set the temperature and top T parameters to get the direct and speedy responses. So you just need to have this kind of text in a model file underscore Granite file here, and then we'll register this in the Ollama directory using a simple command, which will create a new model called Granite Direct from the model file, which is this model file underscore Granite. So I'll just copy this, go to the terminal and paste it again here. Now if I check Ollama list, I'll see that the latest model that I have registered, which is Granite Direct latest, is there in this Ollama list. So now you can directly chat with this model, or you can use it in any of your Python projects. Now we need to clone the repository of AI job search. So we just need to use this kind of query, go to the terminal and paste it again here. So once you run this command, you will see that the AI job search is there in this current project folder. And now we need to just change the directory to this AI job search and launch the Claude CLI using Ollama launch Claude with the model selected as Granite Direct latest. So I'll copy both of these commands, go to the terminal and paste them here. So now the Claude code is launching with the Granite Direct latest model. Now first I need to set up my profile, so I'll just run this setup command here. And then for dummy skills, I've just prepared this simple paragraph where I have just put some random name, contact number, LinkedIn URL, some basic profile in some computer science and AI space, and core skills related to machine learning, AI and data science. So I just need to copy all of this and paste it in the terminal next. This will modify all the internal folders in this AI job search project directory. Here I'm going with the path B where I'm explicitly giving all the skills, but you can also go for path A where you can add all of your documents like resume, CSV in these subfolders of this skill. The next step is to search for all the jobs. I'll just use this scrap command and paste it in the CLI. And now it has given me the table of all the jobs to search, and it is asking me to provide a job posting URL for the role that we are targeting, and it will perform a fit evaluation, generate a tailored CSV, draft a cover letter, and run through the verification checklist. So next I've given the apply command on one of that job. You can check all the jobs that are scrapped also using this folder. Here you can go to the postings and all the different postings that it is able to find. So here I'm just giving the Stripe 1 posting, and using the apply command I'm going to be generating all these contents for this job. So now it has given me all the contents, that why Strip is the right fit, what they are offering, how to apply, and what are the required qualifications, the experience, and basis different roles it has given the requirements as well. Then it has given paragraph why Stripe is the right fit, and then it has given the message from the Stripe community that you are looking forward for reviewing the application with your portfolio, technical stack, and leadership experience that the tool will build basis your skills. Now you can actually modify all these skills by yourself by going to all these files. So there's full transparency and the complete data privacy because everything is staying in your own local folder and you don't have to send it to any of the cloud APIs. For example, you can go to the cloud.md file, and here you can change all the roles that you're looking for. What is your profile? What are your identities, education, professional experience? What are your technical skills, certification, publication, awards, and everything else. So you can manually change them or directly interact with the Claude CLI, and it will fill all of these by itself basis your conversation. So you can use this tool to build your privacy first applications because you will keep entire career history, resume details, and your target job preferences strictly on your own local hardware and not pass on them to any of the cloud servers like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini. Then you can do the dynamic onboarding of your applications by just starting with a simple paragraph summary without needing of any PDF files because the tool will generate all of those documents by itself. And then you can set up your automated job pipeline where you can track and follow all of your applications funnel and automatically apply to those jobs using this tool. So that was the AI job search assistant, and we saw how it is an incredible way to automate your job hunt and create tailored applications using completely free local AI. All the codes and the README file with the step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be in the GitHub link in the description and pinned comments, so you can get them and get started with the project easily. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates, and workflows.